Stars, welcome and welcome back to the channel. My name is Somto. Just in case you're coming across me for the first time, hey, how are you doing? I hope you are all shining the brightest. You guys, hey, you guys, I was so sick throughout last week and last 2 weeks that I couldn't even record a voiceover for these videos, guys. But I'm fine and I'm all better now. All thanks to you guys. All thanks to you. Thanks to your prayers, you guys. I just really appreciate you guys a lot. I appreciate you a lot, and that's why I'm bringing you this gorgeous short haircut, you guys. I have over 60 short haircuts for you to choose from. These ones are popping. I'm talking about the color, the vibrancy, the style, the fade, the cut. Oh my goodness, you guys, you just name them. These haircuts are unique. Trust me, guys, you are going to love this one. Trust me now. Maybe you know that me, I know what you like. I know what you like. I have eye for good thing, you know. That is why I want you to please watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on anything. So you not come and say that, Somto, you promised me something. This is what I ordered versus what I got. No, we are not doing that one here. We get exactly what we ordered, but extra. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if this is what you came for now. Comment and please share with your friends. I love you guys so very much, and I will just leave you to enjoy the video. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.